my name is Gloria. I wanted to take the time and thank you guys so much for taking the time and actually watching this video. This is actually my first video. I hope you guys really do like it and find it useful. If you guys do, I hope you guys hit subscribe. Well, today I will be doing a review on eyelashes, 3 pairs of eyelashes. The reason why I decided to do eyelashes is because I've been trying to cut back on my spending. I've spent about $18 to $20 on 1 pair of eyelashes, so I've been trying to look for alternatives. I did buy 3 pairs, like I did mention. One of them is from Sephora, another one is from Morphe, and the other one is from NYX. Well, I'm going to actually demonstrate them for you guys, and let me know what you guys actually think. So usually when I wear eyelashes, I try to do a fuller look because that's what I like. I like a little bit more of dramatic look. These are right here, like I did mention, the WL15s from NYX. If you notice right here on the lining, I don't know if you can see it, it's a little bit thicker. I usually try to do a thinner, so hey, it doesn't hurt to try them, and maybe I just might like them, right? So let's go ahead and begin with the WL15. So we're gonna go ahead and add some glue to these. Sorry, I usually just do it with the bobby pin. I don't like to grab, or with the brush, with the tip of it. It's just a little bit thinner, so I like doing it with that. I usually try to fold it and then blow on it, so then that way they go on a little bit better and the glue does dry. So let's go ahead and do this here. Alright guys, so I do got the first one on, which is from the NYX collection. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's actually very nice. I do like it. It's a fuller look. It's a little bit more dramatic. I love wearing eyelashes just because, look, I don't have one on this side, and I just really don't like the look. I just love the look of wearing eyelashes. You know how I did tell you I didn't like it because it was a little bit thicker on the lining area. Well, I actually don't mind it. It actually looks really good. It does feel comfortable. When I first put it on, it was a little bit too long, so I had to go back and cut it because it was bothering me in the inside. But of course, if you cut it to your size, it's gonna feel better. They don't feel too heavy. For $7, it's actually really good. I love it. So let me go ahead and start with the Morphe, and Alright, so I do have the second eyelash on, which was from the Morphe collection. If you can see it here, I actually really like it. It does feel really light on your eyes. It feels lighter than the NYX, and it was cheaper, but I don't know guys. Let me know what you guys think. Let me go ahead and try on the Sephora collection, and let's see what we think. Guys, so I do have the third one on, which is from your Sephora collection here. To be honest with you guys, I do feel like the Sephora and the Morphe collection are about the same. They feel the same, they look the same, at least to me they do. See, and let me know what you guys think. The only difference is the price. Morphe, like I did mention to you guys, is $4 and 20-something cents, I believe, and the Sephora was $10. I honestly will be probably doing more of the Morphe Calabasas collection. Why? Because the price. The price is good. It feels the same as the Sephora, so why not save some money, right guys? The NYX, like I did mention to you, was $7. I did really like this one. I feel just it's a little bit more of a dramatic look. Like I did mention to you, it's a little bit thicker here, so this one does feel a little bit heavier than the Morphe and the Sephora collection. But I did love all three of them. Comment below. I hope you guys found this video useful. And if you guys did, I hope you guys hit subscribe to my channel. I really do appreciate you guys watching my channel today. Thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, okay? Bye.